It's good, Yella. You got this.
No, but it just feel weird. Like you're just walking on a glass. What's up, guys? It's your girl Viola and my lovely husband.
Hey.
What's your name again?
Dre.
And guys, it is our anniversary. Hey, August 7th. This is Jasper National Park. So we are, babe, I actually prefer driving from Jasper. Like literally, look how quick we reach the park. Anyways.
Honestly, you're right. It's been like 20 minutes, right?
Yeah. Andre's gonna purchase that.
Hello. Am I too far away?
No, you're all good.
Alright, awesome. 2 days, today and tomorrow. Yes.
Yeah, that should be good. Thank you.
Alright, you
Okay, take care. Okay, so guys, we just paid for a ticket and we put the ticket on the windshield, and we also got a visitor's guide, which we ain't gonna use
Why
because
not?
we know where we're going
Really?
already. No, I don't know. Babe, me think you say you plan out where we go. Anyways, guys.
Yeah, we're freestyle this.
So, what was I talking about?
It's our anniversary where you prefer this route.
Yeah. And guys, we have been married for 5 years now. Like 5 years. Like, I can't believe like I have been with this guy for 5 years.
Hi.
And honestly, guys, I am not tired. I don't feel tired of him.
I'm gonna have this clip 25 years.
But guys, he's a lot of headache and a lot of talking. But babe, honestly, I enjoy the journey so far. We've been keeping busy anyway and having fun otherwise, so the time just flew by really, really fast. So that's all I gotta say. So guys, before you even continue watching the rest of this video, because it's gonna be lit, we're journeying with you in Canada, Jasper National Park. So please hit the like, subscribe. If you're new here, it's free. You can always subscribe, become a part of the lit people and subscribe. And you can click the notification bell down below, because YouTube is not helping us to notify our people. So if you want to see more videos from us, hit that notification bell. What's in your head? In your head? Someday. Like guys, so I really want to see a bear, right? And let me know if you guys think this is a good idea. If we just go in the bush in one of these forests.
If we go in the bush. Alright, so guys, we're currently at the Columbiaicefieldskywalk in Jasper. We want to see like the skywalk, but apparently you have to first drive 6 kilometers to go to a shuttle stop so that you can get a shuttle to bring you to the ice walk. They don't have extra parking, and this is what we're doing.
Okay guys, we are inside the building. It's really nice because they even have Starbucks, restaurants and stuff, but we're gonna go take a bathroom break, more like Andre break. So guys, Andre is gonna get the ticket. Feels like I'm at the airport. Babe, not even hear me. Hello sir. What do you think about but the expression on your face? No, because you look so, what do you call it? Shocked.
I'm like, oh yeah, I was like 300
For the Glacier View Hotel?
for the Glacier, yeah. Alright, so we're going on a bus and we're entering the skywalk. We're entering the shuttle, and that's Taylor heading out.
Nice and sunny.
Final, yes, windy, but still it's sunny. This is nice. There's our bus.
So go Portland. Go Portland.
Guys, we haven't been in a bus in how many years?
5 years.
Is it that?
Yeah. Probably Jamaica. We're not gonna
Guys, we haven't been in a bus for almost 5 years.
Oh no, come with us, guys. Come. Yeah.
So,
Babe,
just
can you
a word of
imagine
advice
falling
for
off
you
that?
guys, please do not drink any water from any of those glacier-fed lakes or rivers. Any
Good
of those
to
blue
know.
turquoisey rivers, you don't want to drink that water because rock flour is a diuretic. Which
Oh.
mean if you drink that
Oh
water,
my gosh,
you will
you
be sitting on the
pee.
toilet for a very long time. So please don't drink it. I do know from experience it's awful. Alright.
So this is our first stop. So cool. Let's see what Taylor's looking at.
Oh, there's
That.
Our tour guide was really cute. I like her.
So guys, this is the what? Columbia Icefield Skywalk in Jasper.
Oh, guys, there is a huge block of ice up there.
You know, pack of ice. You have to zoom in on it. You know that just looks just like a nice sandwich. It's good, Taylor. You got this.
No, but it just feel weird. Like you're just walking on a glass. Like what kind of glass is? Where we call that? Is it strong enough? Like
Yo,
all these questions. Oh
it's
my
a.
God.
Someone screaming.
Oh my
Guys, do you want to see this view?
Babe, you're coming.
Yeah, but I want to catch your reaction, right? So take your time. It's good.
Feel like me blow away.
You're good.
Guys, the adrenaline, that feeling that you get when you're doing something risky. You know what I hate? I hate when I'm holding onto the rail and I'm accidentally holding onto my empty purse. I think that's too hard. Babe. A thumbnail is on. A thumbnail.
Well, yeah, guys, this is pretty cool. We'd recommend it. Look at.
5 stars.
And Taylor is somewhere in that corner. Hey, love. I see you.
Oh, look at that sun.
It's coming in.
Yes, guys, we are leaving the skywalk. I had too much fun, guys.
Yeah, next location at the Basket Falls.
A lady came and said to me, because she speaks French, you know, so she was trying to find the words. Or, yeah, she said to me, she came to me in her snowsuit. About 10 layers of clothes. Me as a lady in a hat. Anyways, she was there staring at me, taking pictures and everything. She
was so
came over to
confused.
me. She was like, are you taking those photos for a magazine? I said, no, it's for our YouTube channel. Then she said, you don't have clothes? I said, yes, I have clothes. Aren't you cold? I said, no, I'm not cold. It's actually warmer than I thought, because actually, guys, I brought extra pants and something. Say, okay, if it get cold, I will definitely change into it, right, babe? But we went there, the weather was nice. I didn't feel any wind. on the bridge, on the, what you call it? It's a bridge, right?
Yeah.
I didn't feel any wind or anything. So then I said, oh my gosh. Then she showed me how much clothes she has. She's like, oh, I have lots of clothes. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Wee wee. Wee. I'm like, wee. That's a lot. I said, you're supposed to be hot. Hot though. She said, oh, we're fine. Because we ride motorcycle. Okay guys, so this is our next stop, Athabasca Falls.
Athabasca.
Yes, and look like the sun knew that we were coming
Athabasca.
because it was raining on our journey down here. And as we reached down here guys, the sun started to shine. Oh wow guys,
There we
it's
go.
exciting. And I can't see from here.
Cool.
Yeah babe, cool. We need to find where to park. We'll be fine.
Yeah.
Ooh, oh my gosh, guys, I wonder if we can friend up one of them people here. I'm going to canoe. So apparently guys, when you come, you have a little bit of walk to the falls, which is fine because I love nature. How about you, babe? You like nature?
Well, like nature and people around.
Babe, what are you looking for?
You do see the sign that says bears.
Angela, look
right?
left to right.
Guys, there's bears everywhere.
Because honestly, I want to see a bear.
No, you don't want to see a bear.
But I want bear, babe.
You think you can outrun one?
Babe, them say if you see one, all you must do is drop dead. But guys, look at the beautiful bush. Look at the... Oh, bear! Babe!
It's a bear? You can run.
Oh my god.
It's a bear?
No, for real, for real. Babe, you need to sit
Yeah,
down.
come. No, you don't stay there. You come.
Babe, you're supposed to freeze.
That's your camera.
No.
Yeah.
Babe. Babe.
Walk.
Babe. Guys. Babe, stop. You're not sending
I'm gonna look like shit if you run this way.
Wait, hold on. I have two questions. First question is, why look like you
Huh?
why look like you almost run leave me?
Yo, tell think I'm joking.
Beer. Frank Andres saw one beer. Then at the bush. Guys, I don't know if you saw his expression. Andre looked like him did want to run leave me, guys. Like, you did want to run leave me? Yeah, Andre, just run. Guys, do not wear white crepe.
It goes around?
Guys, look at that.
Oh my god. Taylor, you are so sad.
Very, very smart.
Everyone's gonna do this.
We are now approaching an endangered species.
They're not endangered.
Oh. guys don't listen to me. I just see everybody stop, so we're stopping too. But yeah, it's something. But me now go close, cause they're roadside.
Big up your zoom, Taylor. No.
Guys,
Zoom.
look.
Zoom.
The lady I got near.
Is that there?
Oh, my phone. Make it look close.
No, she's near.
She is pretty close, cause if that thing start running her down, sorry. Oh my gosh. Should I bring the little boy?
So guys, if you want to see the wildlife, do it safely.
Alright, babe. I don't like where it look. Like literally, I see something just look funny, like, yeah, me a bitch.
So it's obvious that this place is closed, but Teola does not believe me. Now watch this mess. Hello, it's me. Oh, okay. All right, I was wrong. I admit it. I'm coming.
Hey guys, so this is day number 2.
Hey.
The last day, guys. I don't want to go back to my yard. Oh my god. Guys.
Hey.
It's a whole lot of them.
Daddy.
Andre family.
Family.
Dress.
Walk on my dubs. You get the kitchen.
Yeah. Enough of them now. I missed the mountain, guys. There was a mountain that looked really cute.
Wow, this is like a legit small town.
Yeah. So this is the town of Jasper.
Cool.
It's cute though.
Very cute.
It's a cute little
It's so
town.
snug.
Very cute little town.
So this is somewhere I would probably stay because there's Wi-Fi. Plus, when you look around,
So we can move up here, babe?
No.
Good try though.
I know, right? Once again, guys, is it a lake? Is it a beach? It is a lake. This is called Pyramid Lake. It's in Jasper. I think this is the reason why this place is called Pyramid Lake. That's one scary ass mountain.
Scary.
That's. Leave it to my wife. Gorgeous! Wow. Now this is a picnic spot. Yo. People, this is sexy as hell. I said this will feel like paradise. For some reason, you make me want to put my socks back on. Alright, may I put back on my socks?
No, babe, come now. It's warm.
Do you? Go in.
Really nice.
Alright, since it's so warm, go deeper.
I can.
Go deeper. Put your feet in. Step, step. Oh yeah.
It's so nice and warm.
I'm convinced. I'm very convinced.
So warm.
I'm very convinced.
Everybody should come. It's warm. What is your name?
I.
Guys, Andre is afraid of water.
It's not. Alright, have you ever been to communion?
Look at that guy over there. He is oh my gosh. Babe, that guy just dived. Even the dog, guys. The dog can swim better than me. So the dog there. Alright, let's go back to this guy here who is afraid of water. Oh, that was so cute. Aww. Aww. Should I bring cuddles? Wait, you're not in here yet?
Yeah, whenever I got communion.
No.
And somebody washing a foot.
Babe. Babe, just put your foot. Just put it's like at first it's cold, but then after you're in it, it just, I don't know. I think your body just adjusts to it.
Lies.
No, for real. Guys, look. I'm just standing in it. So gorgeous. Guys, would you come to this lake? I would advise.
Edit. So let's do the correction.
Edith Lake. I've been correcting Andre. He kept saying Edith Lake.
No, I thought it
It's
was
Edith.
Medicine Lake. So guys, this is another stop that we took. This is called Medicine Lake. So guys, we're at Malign Lake.
Maligny.
That's how it's pronounced?
Maligny Lake.
Maligny?
They just call all of these names.
Maligny? Oh my god. Yeah. Where are you going, Tiola?
I'm going over the jerk hut over there.
Alright, so guys, we are about to end off this anniversary vlog in Jasper, but we had an awesome time. Tiola, I'm not even seeing you. Where are you? Oh, I'm sorry. Alright, so guys, I'm really tall, so I have to go like really down. So as I was saying, we're about to close this vlog off. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't already, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you liked any specific part of this vlog, let us know in the comments. So once again, like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next one.
But let us see how Andre's foot is. Why you said that?
Because alright, so this is me standing to meet Tiola.
Yeah.
Dang.
Yeah.
Alright.
Anyways, bye guys.
Are you gonna let me down? Are you gonna watch me fall in love, then let me drown? Or are you gonna love me now and give me something that will never pull me down?